life breaks free. Life finds a way.
The hiring of J.A. Banyan, best known for Spanish-language chiller The Orphanage, now pivoting itself firmly towards the direction of horror in the sequel Fallen Kingdom. This sequel and its nightmarish imagery looks more like a horror movie than any family-friendly film starring Brian Dallas Howard, Chris Pratt, Ted Levine, among others. 4 years after the Jurassic World theme park was closed down, Owen and Claire returned to Isla Nublar to save the dinosaurs when they learned that a once dormant volcano on the island is active and threatening to extinguish all life there.
What could go wrong?
You can blame me, try to shame me.
Do these animals deserve the same protections given to other species?
Blue is alive.
After the dormant volcano suddenly rumbles to life, a mad scramble to rush and save the lives of the dinosaur, including the deadly hider. Between YouTube and Facebook, the second trailer for Jurassic World sequel was viewed, being played a total of 3.56 million times. That's just in the span of about 12 hours.
These creatures were here before us. They're gonna be here after us. Here I am talking about dinosaurs again.
Directed by J.A. Banyan and based off the characters created by Michael Crichton, written by Colin Trevorrow and Derek Conklin. In the official trailer, they introduce a nightmarish new dinosaur. This new creation, called the Indoraptor, seems to combine elements of the last film's Indominus Rex and Velociraptor. I wonder if it comes with a pedigree.
Do you remember the first time you saw a dinosaur?
The trailer definitely sparked my interest, so now we want to know your opinion. Are you excited to see this movie?
That's the scariest thing I've ever done. This is gonna be awesome.
Comment below with your answer. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. We really do appreciate you watching. And with that said, as always, have a great day.